Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss most common mistakes in English, and now I will discuss some misused forms of preposition. I have already uploaded multiple videos on such topics. So the first one is deprive of and not from. So don't say Nelson Mandela was deprived from his freedom, but we will say Nelson Mandela was deprived of his freedom. Next one, die of illness and not from an illness. So don't say many people have died from malaria. Malaria, which is basically an infectious disease. So we may say many people have died of malaria. So in short, die of or died of. Note, people die of illness, of hunger, of thirst, pyas. Hunger meaning is book. Next one, of thirst, of or from wounds, wound, zaham, from overwork, by violence, tashaddud, by the sword, by pestilence, in battle, for their country, for a cause, through neglect, on the scaffold, at the stake. So, of, from, by, through, for, at, all these are prepositions. Next one is different from and not than. So don't say my book is different than yours. We may say my book is different from yours. So different from. Next one, disappointed by, disappointed about, disappointed at, and not from. So the first one is A, B, and C. So by, at, and about. So don't say Philippa was disappointed from the low mark she got in the test. We may say Philippa was disappointed by, disappointed about, disappointed at the low marks she got in the test. Next one is B. So with or in. So don't say Jane was disappointed from her son. We may say Jane was disappointed with or in her son. So note, before a person we use with or in. With or in both are preposition. Before a thing we use at, or simply at is used for non-living objects. About or by and before a gerund we use at. Gerund verb plus ing form, and gerund is basically a noun. So Keith is very disappointed at not winning the prize. We use that optional before a new class. That is also a preposition. So that always use before the start of a new class. I was disappointed. I was disappointed. So it's a complete sentence. That I did not get an invitation. So that has been used uh, before the new clause. Next one, divide into parts and not in parts. So don't say I divide the cake in 4 parts. We can say I divided the cake into 4 parts. So note, anything may be divided in half or in two. Paul divided the apple in half or in two. So it's all for today, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates, and thank you.